Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to block calls from hidden numbers on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the privacy, okay, go to privacy. And okay guys, here in privacy, okay, below you can see the harassment and fraud prevention. And okay guys, here in harassment and fraud prevention, you can see the block and filter. And okay guys, you all have to do is go to block and filter. And okay guys, here in block and filter, okay, on the top, you can see the block calls, okay, set rules to block calls. And okay guys, you all have to do is click the block calls. And okay guys, here in block calls, okay, in sim 1, okay, you can see the block calls from hidden numbers. And okay guys, on the right side you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on or to enable the block calls from hidden numbers is turn on the switch button on the right side. And the pop-up are show, and if this turn on, caller ID must be enabled to receive calls. And okay guys, click turn on. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully blocked calls from hidden numbers on your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.